A police case has been filed against Hindu religious leader Sant Kalicharan Maharaj, who is from Maharashtra, after he allegedly insulted Mahatma Gandhi and praised his assassin Nathuram Godse on Sunday at a Dharam Sansad, or Parliament of Religions, in Chhattisgarh's Raipur. Sant Kalicharan Maharaj's controversial speech also led to Chief Patron Mahant Ramsundar Das disowning the event and walking off the stage in a huff. Sant Kalicharan was later charged with promoting enmity between communities after ex-mayor Pramod Dubey registered a complaint. The president of the ruling Congress state unit, Mohan Markam, has also called for a sedition case. In his speech, clips of which have been widely circulated on social media, Kalicharan Maharaj declares that the aim of Islam is to capture the nation through politics. He also declared Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi destroyed the country, solutions to Nathuram Godse, who killed him. Kalicharan Maharaj demanded people elect a staunch Hindu leader to protect Hinduism. A furious Mahant Ramsundar Das from Chhattisgarh's Dudadari temple was quick to protest, pointing out that Mahatma Gandhi had sacrificed his life for the country and that such abusive language could not be used at his expense. Mahatma Gandhi has been abused from this stage, and I oppose it. This is not Sanatan Dharma, nor should such a thing happen on a platform like a parliament of religions. I want to ask the organizer, why didn't you raise an objection when such words were being used? An irate Mahant Ramsundar Das asked. This country where 30 crore Muslims live, where around 15 crore Christians live, will it become a Hindu Rashtra if you call it so? Mahant Das also said as he walked off the stage. I do not belong to this event, he declared. The head of the ruling Congress communication wing, Sushil Anand Shukla, was quoted by news agency PTI as saying, "The use of abusive words against Mahatma Gandhi is highly objectionable. Kalicharan should first prove that he is a saint." Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel was scheduled to attend the event's closing ceremony, but he skipped the event. Maharashtra Minister and NCP leader Nawab Malik also tweeted saying, "An insult to Mahatma Gandhi ji is an insult to our nation. Strict action should be taken against Kalicharan Maharaj, and he should be booked for insulting the father of our nation. We are receiving further details from Akola, and Maharashtra Home Ministry must also take action." News Desk, Kaumudy Global.